Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you through how to enable autocorrect spelling in the ChatGPT mobile application. So the first thing to do is to launch the ChatGPT app on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once logged in, from the main home page, tap on the two horizontal lines at the top left corner. In the pop-up, go to the bottom section and tap on your username. This will open up the settings menu. From the settings menu, go to the bottom and look for Correct Spelling Automatically button and toggle the button right next to it. Once you turn this on, the app should automatically correct or suggest spelling correction as you type. That's how you can easily chat on ChatGPT without having to worry about spelling mistakes. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.